back from spray painting. Can't film long because the 23-minute video I filmed yesterday for Sean's travels is still not on Dropbox on my computer. But you can see most of the small engine parts. There's the car body. Now don't worry, any imperfections in the primer, well, it's going to be colored matte black anyway, so you won't see it. And there are the other parts. Now I'm sincerely hoping I don't have to cover the other side. In this case, I just spray painted the parts that had the numbers visible. So hopefully that will work. And that's all I'm going to do today. Tomorrow I will prime the other parts. At least the other small parts anyway. And then the next day I will move on to base color. Not the car body, but the small parts. The parts I intend to assemble at the Hobby Club meeting. So that's all for today for Sean's model builds, and consider this, I guess, a preview of part 2. Bye-bye.